And if marketing has not been sort of at the center with your sales partner as a revenue producing team, start now. Like, get sales buy-in on what you are doing. Ideally, your marketing budget as it is presented, your marketing plan as it is presented to the leadership team, to the board, to the CFO, should be you sitting right next to your sales counterpart. Your sales counterpart should know what your strategy is, should buy into what you are doing, and be nodding enthusiastically as you walk through what you need to be able to support his or her goals, right? And I know this takes a little more time, but I guarantee you your sales partner will appreciate you coming in and doing this, because they want to make sure you're doing this the right way. And sometimes this might mean less money towards demand efforts and more money towards sales enablement, right? If you look at where you are today and say, listen, like we work at a lot of companies in very small niche markets in B2B. Sometimes that means you don't need to go spend more money on search. You know who the companies are you need to be selling to. You know the people in those organizations you need to be selling to. Maybe you've been in market enough that you've got communication and you've got relationships with a lot of the key buyers. What are you doing to accelerate understanding, commitment, and a commitment to change and a commitment to buy? That may not be demand channels. That may be field marketing events. That may be sales enablement programs, right? So organizational goals tied down to getting sales buy-in on where those investments need to happen